We're here at Sonoma Raceway with some of the most incredible vehicles on the planet. These vehicles behind me are equipped with our brand new windshield protection film, designed to withstand the rigors of both the track and the road. Introducing windshield protection film, available now at Ceramic Pro Elite dealers. From high-performance race cars to daily drivers, our windshield protection film is essential. Windshields are getting extremely expensive. This film offers your best line of defense against those hazards while remaining optically clear and is suitable for all types of vehicles. As you're driving down the road, lots of hazards can fly up, hit your windshield, causing it to crack or chip or pepper, which would make it more difficult to see long term. Rock chips and cracked windshields happen, whether on the street or on the track. So be sure to get a windshield protection film at a Ceramic Pro Elite dealer near you.